Hello, my name is Miles Thornton and I'm going to talk about some new widget types that have been added to the JavaScript API in Oasis Suite 20 for Primer, D3Plot and THIS. The JavaScript API that we have in Primer, D3Plot and THIS allows you to create graphical user interfaces to add new bespoke functionality and processes to the software. The JavaScript API supports several different widget types and can easily be made using the GUI builder. For example, the Move Parts window on this slide shows many of the widget types and has been made using the GUI builder. These are label, button, checkbox, text box, list box, and combo box widgets. However, there are a few widgets that are used in our core software user interface that have not been available in the JavaScript API. In this presentation, I'm going to describe two new widgets that have been added to the JavaScript API in Oasis Suite 20. The first new widget that we've added is a radio button. A radio button is typically used to give a choice to the user where only one of the options can be selected at any time. Radio button widgets are made in the same way as list box and combo box widgets. A widget item is created for each option that you would like to show in the widget. The example on this slide shows the simple code required to create a radio button and the resulting GUI. The second widget we've added is a tree widget. A tree widget is typically used to show some sort of hierarchical information where bits of the data can be expanded or collapsed. Just as with the radio button widget, the data is added to the tree by creating widget items. However, as the tree widget stores the data hierarchically, instead of as a flat list, when the widget item is added, the relationship of the item must be given to an existing item in the tree. So in this example, we are adding the items as children of existing items, but you can also add items as parents or siblings. As with all the other widget types in the JavaScript API, hover text can be added to the items and callback functions can be used when an item is clicked or the mouse moves over the item. Here you can see hover text that has been shown when the cursor is over the prepare item. Thank you for listening.